Hello beautiful people. So in this video we have a very important and little bit difficult question. Though it is not difficult if you know the methods, if you know the rules, and what we are given here, that they are saying shown below is a circle. They are showing a circle, and then they are telling us that these two squares are congruent. PQRS and QTUR, these are two congruent squares, right? And then they are telling us that this ST, if you look at this ST and SU, ST and SU and UT as well, this UT, these all are tangents. Okay, every detail has a meaning. What is the meaning of giving a tangent? Because we know from center to tangent we draw a perpendicular, right? So these things, this is like small details, but the rules matter. Okay, so then they are asking us the side length of the square is 10 centimeter they are giving, and then they are asking us find the radius of the circle. Okay, that means we need to find this radius. Okay, I will draw the center here. We need to find this radius. This is also, we know, radius. Okay, now I will just note down whatever is given, just small details. Okay, so what is given to us, that this is 10, right? This is also 10. Okay, in units I will say. I will not write the 10 centimeter. Just first I will just write 10. Okay, 10. And this is also 10. This whole is 10, right? This is what, and then this is what we need to find. Okay, and this whole is also 10, right? We know these things. We need to find the value of r. Okay, suppose I say this point is y. Okay, now look at this square first of all. If you look at this square here, we know that this is 90, right? This is 90, right? This is also 90 because this is a square, angle is 90 degree. If three angles are 90, then this fourth angle will also be equal to 90, which implies that I will say this point O, which implies that UW is a square. Okay, we will write that this is a square. Okay, if this is a square, that means all the sides will be of equal length, right? So this is r and this is also r. So now we will see what is the length of SW. We know SW is a tangent, right? SW, you know, SW I will write is equal to, if you see, SU minus WU, right? If you subtract WU from SU, you will get SW, and that will be equal to 20 minus R, right? So that means I will write SW is equal to 20 minus R, right? Now you can see that SW and SY both are tangents on the same circle from the same point, right? Both are tangent from the same point, right? This implies SW is equal to SY. This implies SY is also equal to 20 minus R, right? Okay, so this is what? This is 20 minus R, right? And then similarly, now you look at TU, I will write here, TV and TY are also tangents from T, right? From the same point. This implies TV is equal to TY, right? TV is equal to TY. What is TV now? Look at TV. TV is equal to TU minus VU, right? That is 10 minus R. So TV is equal to 10 minus R. This implies TY is also equal to 10 minus R, right? So now we know this is what? this is 10 minus r, right? Okay, so what is st then? What is st? st is equal to 20 minus r plus 10 minus r, that is equal to 30 minus 2r. So we found out what is st. Now what do we have? We have a right angle triangle SUV, SUT. In, I will write here, I will rub this, and then I will write here, in right triangle SUT, we will apply Pythagoras rule. What does Pythagoras rule says? That ST square is equal to SU square plus UT square, right? So this means ST square is equal to, what is SU? SU is 20. 20 square, UT is 10, right? So ST square is equal to 400 plus 100, that is 500, right? So ST will be is equal to 100 under root 500. ST is equal to 10 under root 5. Now we know ST is 10 under root 5, and we know ST is, here we know ST is 30 minus 2r. Okay, so equating both of them, we will get 30 minus 2r is equal to 10 under root 5, right? So this is equal to, we will take 2r on the right hand side and 30 minus 10 under root 5. Now I will just divide both sides with 2. I will get 15 minus 5 under root 5. So this is our answer. This is r. We were supposed to find r, and r is equal to, I will write it here again, 15 minus 5 under root 5, right? So this is r. We were supposed to find the r only, and we have found out by just applying the method of tangents, right? That when you draw a tangent, two tangents from the same point on the circle, then they are equal. And by that rule only, we just found out this everything. We have found out r as well, okay? So if you liked it, do subscribe to my channel. And you know what? On my channel, you can find many Maths Olympiad questions and short tricks and concepts if you want to learn something. And do visit and give your reviews. And thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.